ADHD in the morning. Check it out. King That We doing beatboxing with the microwave. Just wanted to say, I hope you all have a wonderful day. And thank you to my neighbours there next door, showing up today for taking the bins out, man. Big respect to you, man. That's kind acts which deserve a big thumbs up, man. And yeah, if you can do kind things to your neighbours or people around, if you're able to do it, man. Promote kind actions and that, man. Till next time from King That We, have a wonderful day. Still with someone's breakfast. Till next time, Shally in. Peace.